Alright, hey guys, it's me, Alina. We're at a parade. We're going to see some Christmas parade. Oh, look. Dude. Yeah, we're gonna see it. It's all the way up there. Find the people over there. Come on. We've been waiting for 5:30. You better come. Yep.
Yeah. It is a Christmas parade.
You want her to call you back when we're done?
Okay.
You want her to call you back when we're done?
Mine. I'm taking a picture.
Okay, I'll call you back.
I'm taking a picture.
They're coming. You see that? They're coming. Okay, they're coming. Sorry if it's going to be loud. Warning, it's going to be loud. It's going to be loud.
They're coming.
They're coming.
That's good. Everything became more exciting once I had a kid.
Oh,
honey, yes. Like, you know, you
Come on.
kind of get in that lull, and then it's like once you have a kid, everything is just so much more fun and exciting. Yes, dear, yes.
They're slowing.
33.
They're driving so slowly.
It's raining.
You love it?
It's raining. It's raining.
Go, go. Oh, there it goes. Might have to do parks with it. There's a police car. There's the police car, I think.
It's got some weird sounds, doesn't it? My church is supposed to be in the parade.
Gotta move back. Oh my gosh. Look, it's the horses, ain't it? The horses. Oh, hello, horses. Oh, that's adorable. Hello. Oh my gosh, hi. Look at that horse. That's so cute. Oh, look at that. Look, it's a brown one, the black one, the brownest. Oh, no way. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my goodness, they're doing the TikTok song. Here's it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Hey. Yay! Those are beautiful whites. That's amazing. Oh, look. Hello, look. Merry Christmas. Oh, look, you got one. Go, go, go. It's flashing light warning, flashing lights in your area. Hello, hello, hello. That's all. Yep. Oh, there's a fire truck. There's fire truck. Warning, brightening lights. Oh my God. Ow. Yo, and I mean, Mr. Grease. You hate Christmas. Ow. That went straight to my ear. Oh, that's it. There it is. Oh my goodness. This is probably going to be a long day. Merry Christmas. Ooh, they're jumping. There it is. Bam. Like I said, I'm going to do a short on the YouTube so you can comment on things on the short, not the video, because you know how it is. So, yeah. The parade, look at that tree. Hello. Hello. Merry Christmas. Oh, is that second. Who is that? It's a polar bear. Hello. Merry Christmas. Hello, everyone. Hello. Oh, thank you. Oh, I got this. Look at it. It glows. I got one. Whoa. Yay. Yay. Got one. Whoa. Merry Christmas. Yay. Oh, look at it. Okay. Ooh, look at the different patterns. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Let's do 3. Wow. Hello, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Hey. Yay. Yay. I should go stand right here. Okay. Good. We're doing it. We're doing it.
I wonder if he's gonna be in character.
Oh, hey, Grinch. And more Grinch showed up. Merry Christmas. Hello, Grinchy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Woohoo.
L-A-N-C-A-S-T-E-R-B-R-U-I-E-S. Cause we are the best. Go Bruce. L-A-N-C-A-S-T-E-R-B-R-U-I.
There we go. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hello. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Holy look, it's the pink one! Yay! That's the pink one. Merry Christmas! Wow. I used to go to one pageant in my old school life. Merry Christmas! I'm seeing snowman. Unless there's more coming. What? Okay. Let's see if Santa comes. Huh? Huh? What? What are you talking? Huh? You need to. It's on. The video's on. You can.
18 minutes.
It's not pause it. You gotta wait until the Santa Claus comes. That's the last one. I think.
Pause it, wait for them to come up.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna make part 2. Okay.